Okay, so it means we are creating a scene. Okay, this is for the new user, not the user already playing a game. So if there is already a scene here, or there is already ID set for the scene, then it will return an undefined. Okay. Otherwise, if there is no ID available in scenes, then it will make a scene ID, or make a scene. Okay. Then we are saying that you have to create a variable, say equals to ts scene if this is the if condition. Okay, with the ternary operator, we it is just like an if statement, if as a statement, that we are saying if ts scene is available, then make ts scene object equals to ts scene object. Okay, if it is not, if it is false, then you have to make a new scene object. You have to, what we are saying over here is that if it is true, then make this variable equals to new tc. Okay. If it is false, if it is an else condition, then make this variable scene equals to new scene. Okay. So whatever it makes, we will see that later. Then it will comes here. Okay. And it will, what it will do, it will make a key value with a name of with the id. Okay, that we have created over here. From here we are creating actually id from here, and we are taking a id. We are actually uh, making the scenes um, array key equals to the id that we are providing from here, and we are saying it should be equals to the scene that we have initialized over here. Okay, and we are saying you have to return scene. Okay, so it will return a scene, and after this, running this, we were here. Okay, after running this method, it will return the object that we have created with this method. Okay, so we are here. We have now created an object, or object of the scene of the game. Okay, on which we have to insert all the objects for the game. So we are now creating a game scene. Okay. Previously, we have created you can say that we have created some frames. Okay, we have created some frames, the objects of the frames on which we have to run our game. On the basis of that frame, our game will show us the animation, different animations, and show us that the ball is going here and there and blocked, and all the objects that for the all the objects that we will put on that frame will animate according to the animation that we have created. Okay, so now we are saying that you have to make game variable, and it's we are not using lat or var, because without lat or var in javascript, if you write some name of a variable, then it will be available as globally. So the variable game uh, have now the global scope, so it will be available in any class. Okay, so it will be available in our script everywhere. So we are saying here that you have to call the scene manager class, or the scene manager uh, methods from this scene manager. that we have make equals to this class. So now we are saying that go into the scene manager, and you have to call this function or the method to create a scene for the game. And we are providing two parameters. One is a static string, and the other is the game scene. Okay, the other is a game scene class. Okay, this is actually a class we have here. If we find this, we see that this is the game scene that we are sending to our method create scene. Okay, so now we in this class what we have? We have a constructor function constructor over here, in which we are saying that we are what the super method is. Super method is that tells the that tells the JavaScript browser that this the methods and the functions or the variables in this class will be available to all of the scripts we have in this app.js. Okay, we are saying that all the things that we have here will be available to anyone, any other method or any other function in our app.js. So if we call this the paddle or the ball or the bricks from anywhere in our app.js, then we will get the result from here. So for now, we have to understand what it is doing. Well, it is first, it is saying that you have to make a property of this class named as paddle, which will be equals to new paddle. So new paddle is instance of a class we have here. I have to find this. So might be above ball and button. Okay, where is the paddle? Okay, this is our class for paddle. What it is doing, it is making a constructor function in which we are initializing some very properties uh, of this class, and this dot right property equals to false, this dot left equals to false. It means we are saying that right and left will be false at the first instance. When our game starts, then right and left should be false, and the speed for the paddle. What will be the speed initially will be 8. Okay, and the margin we have given to the paddle is 5. So it's now after that we have an init method in our paddle class, and it's basically taking two parameters, renderer and texture. Okay, and it is also adding uh, some properties over here and methods over here. So at this time we don't want to understand about this, we'll see that later. So it is also have a method um, with some properties and methods or the calculations to set the pedal, the position of the pedal. Okay, so this dot is sprite is also a property over here. So we are taking sprite property from here, and it's actually a sprite is the method of the pixie.js, in which we are passing some parameter, and we are making equals this the result of this instance equals to this dot sprite property. So so after this we have some